Hi everyone, it's Sue. Welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone's well. I have another Paper Box Club unboxing. I haven't opened it yet. Just been a little bit busy, but I thought I'd better get my act together and actually open it. Okay. Alright, let's have a look what we've got this month. Okay, well, let's just get rid of the box. Still haven't done anything with the last month's box, but anyway, so I've got some nice tissue paper that's always useful to use. Oh, this looks interesting. Alright, oops, well, there's little bits everywhere here. I'll just get rid of this. Okay, now I'll leave that for the moment. Alright, so it looks like we've got another couple of cards. Does it say what's inside? The Bright Side, Candlebark Creations, blank inside. Okay, so they're two blank cards. Quite useful actually. That one's a girl sipping a cup of tea and one listening to music. Sort of like a watercolour look to them. Yeah, nice. Okay, what else we got? Now this here, it's a stencil. It's a metal stencil. So I'm not really sure what I would do with that. I guess I could use it as a normal stencil. If you know what you do with these metal ones, please let me know. It sort of looks like maybe you use it as in your planners. It's sort of got the usual things, like there's a telephone, a percentage sign, number, thumbs up. So maybe you use it in your planners. Just let me see if I can find something that's got a white. There we go. So yeah, okay. The Bright Side, what's this? Taking some time for hobbies we love is an important part of a balanced, healthy lifestyle. Whether you love to create music or art, escape into books, cook, garden, knit, hike, or simply sit in quiet meditation, hobbies can bring about an immense amount of satisfaction, greatly improve inner well-being, and help us all live on the bright side of life. This month we want to celebrate your hobbies and potentially introduce you to a brand new one, bullet journaling. There are so many opportunities for bullet journaling, and this productive and mindful activity can also help you get the most out of your hobbies. And there's a little bit more, but okay. Have seen a few videos and things on bullet journaling. Not really sure what the purpose is. So if you know that, let me know also. I mean, I do journaling, and I do journaling of my day sometimes, but not bullet journaling, so I'm not sure. Okay, the Paper Club, what's this? Just the contents. Okay, we won't look at that. Alright, Paper Club's Guide to Bullet Journaling. Okay, so I'm about to learn all about bullet journaling. Hello and welcome to the Paper Club's Guide to Bullet Journaling. I'm not going to read it all. Let's keep this introduction short and sweet so you can immerse yourself in this experience as soon as possible. Alright, okay, let's just have a quick flick. If I can. Creating a list of fun day out activities. Where to begin? Make it cute, okay. A neat journal motivates and inspires its owner. Have a look at the example below. Okay, so it looks like you make lists, which I have done in the past because I like ticking off or crossing out on a list. It makes me feel like I've achieved something. I've actually tried to get a little bit away from that because people used to think I was, you know, I can't think of well, I know the word, I just can't say it. I won't say it. But yeah, they really didn't. They seemed to think it was a negative, put it that way. So, yeah, I'm not sure about that. Creating a habit tracker. Okay, I'm not so keen on doing that either because it always highlights to me that I'm not doing the things I should be doing. You know, for example, I don't know, drinking glasses of water. In summer I'm great, in winter dismal. Probably wouldn't even drink one glass. Not a water fan, gotta be honest. Okay, so types of habit trackers. Habit trackers are incredibly important if you want to improve your daily routines. Okay, I think I've got mine pretty much down pat. Sleep, hydration, meditation, I do not have time for that. Mood, my mood's generally improved when I actually do this, just get through my day. Affirmations and gratitude, exercise and calorie intake. Okay, we'll move on from that one. Sleep tracker, well that's pretty easy. 3 to 5 hours every night, no matter what. Other log examples. Okay, so it's got some different examples. Fun personalised calendars. Alright, there's some little pictures, things that you can copy. Okay, alright. We'll just... Oh, look at that. That's nice. I like that. Oh, it's the start of a bullet journal. Oh dear. Okay. It's got those dots. I like those dots on the pages because I don't know if you'll be able to see the dots, but because you can, it makes your writing nice and neat. I like that. And we have some stickers to go with it. To do, important, don't forget, drinks, coffee. Where's the tea? Oh. And we have just some, look like you can make your own labels there. Okay. And what has we got here? They're A4 size. I think they're posters. Just posters of things you can do. I cannot see myself doing that, just saying. I'm very much an indoor person. The walking that I'm doing is probably the only outdoor activity, apart from a little bit of gardening that I did more over summer. I haven't actually done a lot of that lately. The weather's been too wet and quite frankly I've been too busy, which has really disappointed me because I was doing really well, but the garden's looking very overgrown again. Doesn't take long. Okay, well that was this month. I'll turn it that way so that you can see a little bit more, and I'll put that underneath so it doesn't glare. So that was this month's. If you're into bullet journaling, I guess, or would like to start it, I guess that would be great. I will probably use the book for something else, I have to say, because I really can't see myself finding the time to do yet another thing. You know, I'm already pretty squashed for time. So, but anyway, yeah, not bad. I'm sure I'll find a use for most of the bits and pieces somewhere along the line. So, yeah, that's my unboxing for the Paper Club for this month. And I will leave a link down below if you are interested. Obviously, you probably couldn't get this particular one because I imagine that they're already gone, but I don't know. You can always try. And that's about it, I think. As I said, I hope everybody is really well, getting on with things. It is actually my my age group has been called up for the COVID vaccinations. Still undecided whether I want one or not. All the negatives that I've been hearing lately have been a little scary. I've heard some positives too, don't get me wrong. But yeah, not sure yet. I guess for us in Australia it's a little different because it's not all around us all the time. There's only the odd person who's a return traveller or something. So I guess that need or necessity to get them isn't quite as strong, and I'm reasonably healthy too, I think. So I guess I'm not too concerned yet, but we'll see how we go when it gets more towards the cooler winter weather. Anyway, I will stop rambling. I hope everyone's well, as I've said, and I will see you again soon in another video. Thank you very much for watching. Bye for now.